We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another Copart walk around. We about to get right into it, man. If you haven't already though, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell that's right by the subscribe button so you can be updated when your boy upload a video, which is every single day. Make sure the post notifications is on all. That's very important. But yeah, make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, link in the description below, wehustledaily.co. Y'all already know what I want y'all to do. If you want to learn how to buy and sell cars, if you want to learn how to make money, if you don't want to lemon, if you don't want to be crying, this is what I want you to do. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while. And as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. Okay, so we got a couple of new cars to check out over here today. So we're going to see what they got, man. We got a Nissan Sentra. This is like one of the, I guess, the last decent Sentras right here. I think that's for sale too. One of the last decent Sentras. This is when after this, they started the CVT transmission BS. We got the R badge right here. So I think this is the S. This is the R one right here. It looks good. 132,000 miles. I'll tell y'all the year in 1 second. Black interior. Clean. Nice. These seats remind me of the things that you put for your back. You will put for your back. If your back was hurting, the little thing that you buy. Or the ones that you sit on, rather. So door panels, everything looks good, clean. Sunroof, everything. It looks like it got power, so why don't we take that and try to crank this thing up, man. Okay, I gotta move the steering wheel with my knee. Gotta move the steering wheel with my knee. No. Okay, I might have to go see if they will give me the jump box for this one. Might crank this one up. I gotta see. We got a flat. Might crank this one up. Nope, we're not cranking this one up. That's why I want to look at everything. You see all that oil right there? I was just dripping down the head. No, sir. All right, next up we got a Silverado. 332,000 miles on this Silverado, 2006. All red. Body looks very good. Even the bed looks good. We got some type of part over here. What is that? Looks like a inside of a, a part of a CV axle. So it looks like to me. Yeah, man, the body of this truck is fairly good right here. So let's see what we're looking like on the inside. Oh, poor Buick. Look at that Buick. Poor Buick. Y'all make sure y'all be safe. Make sure y'all drive safe. Okay. Nice truck, man. Okay, just don't open. I think wait up. Just gotta push that back there. Wow. Oh, wait. It's a nice truck, but it has a... It's like a... Whoa. What is this? Some type of gasket. Let's see if we can see what this is. Gasket, oil pan. So maybe this thing got a leak. So you have to see. Let's crank this thing up, though. That's a key right here and a key right there. Let's use this key, why don't we? No power. No power. But this thing definitely probably has like an oil pan leak because shoot, they got an oil pan freaking in here. Oil pan gasket in here. So it's kind of a big oil can gasket, or maybe it's a, well, it said oil. So okay, I ain't tripping. Oh my God, maybe I am tripping. Hold on, y'all. There we go. All right. But this one got it in it, a 4.8. Might have an oil pan gasket leak though. Oh man. Does it look like it's leaking under there? It's hard to tell. Oh boy, these rocks right here, man, I tell you. God dang, on knee hurt and everything. I can't really tell. I see the I guess. I see a little drippage. Oh, I'm getting old. I see a little drippage by the little bolt right there. I think that's looks like the oil pan bolt. I'm not sure, but we ain't gonna mess with that one, man. Like I told y'all, the stuff that don't crank up, I ain't gonna mess with, y'all. Again, y'all who don't have to worry about emissions, and y'all can just sell cars, and because I told y'all in a video a while back that I wasn't going to be buying cars that don't pass emissions no more. They take too long for us to sell here, which is basically cars that got check engine lights. Take too long to sell here, man. I'll be stuck with them cars all damn day, all damn 2-3 weeks. I'm good on that. We got a Mustang. It's something new. Georgia State. Y'all like them that much that y'all had to put the thing right there? Let's see what we got. Mustang, Ford Mustang, definitely probably the 6-cylinder. I don't see two duals, 162 on the miles. Oh, I almost just dropped, just had a little drop right there. Seats for you Mustang guys and gals. Let's see. Oops, that's not it. Right here. No power on this one either, man. I see a couple of new things over here. Show y'all over here. Uh-oh. Another one bites the dust. So we got a Accord. And again, y'all also lucky who I gotta be telling y'all, because I know it's new people that watch the video, so I just like to explain this. So in this state, like if I bought this car, I couldn't just sell it. You know, I would have to get it repaired, I would have to get the title rebuilt, and then I would have to sell it to a customer. I can't sell it to a customer like this. In this process, after you get it fixed and everything, it takes a process, a while for you to even get your title back to sell it to the customer. So by the time I buy this, fix it up, and they give me my title back, maybe about a month to 2 months, then I'll finally be able to sell the car. You feel me? So that's just why I'm not into doing stuff like that. Y'all know we just had one of these. Literally just sold this thing yesterday. What is this one though? I don't even, let me see. Oh, stick shift. Y'all know I don't mess with the stick shift. But we got two Dodge Chargers right here, y'all. Absolute favorite that y'all always love to wreck. That's actually a wide body, so we're definitely about to check that one out. This one's a Hemi. Yep, this one's a Hemi. This one looks like it has different type of badge on it though. 1900 miles, huh? The black with the black and the Alcantara type, I think suede or whatever you call it. Oh man, they had a baby on board too. You see the little sticker. It got power too. It says Hemi, so it's probably the hood is already on. Definitely. Let me see. People love these things, y'all. Definitely cranked up. Is it me or the Hemis always have that little tick to it? I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this up right here. Nah, it's messed up. It's not ticking too bad, but ooh, wide body. You about to check you out in a minute. I like this color too. Y'all see it. Let me see if I can get y'all a little rev action real quick. All right, unfortunately it wouldn't rev all the way, but this is definitely what we want to see. The wide body Charger Scat right here. This thing is messing up my picture right here, but it's all good. Might have to move that out the way. But 392 Scat, let's see, 1,600 miles on this one. 2020 Scat Pack. Like I tell you guys all the time, man, you guys are wrecking these things and it's getting ridiculous, man. But definitely looks good with the wide body compared to the regular Charger, man. It just looks like a beast. Now, I said I wouldn't take a Charger because everybody got one, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I think I would take a wide body Charger. 392. And as you can see, the damage, man. Dead. Let's see. Y'all think this was his fault or what, man? The thing is literally on the ground. CV axle, tire rod, everything. But this would be probably, this one probably can be rebuilt right here. Got the sunroof on this one, got the wing on this one. See, I mean, it's just, y'all just going crazy, man. Y'all just literally going crazy. Like, just wrecking everything. Look, wrecking everything. But let's see. Same interior as that one right there. I actually don't see anything different at all, except that the heated seats and the thing. I don't think that one had that one in there. So pretty much the same Scat emblem, except that it didn't have the Scat emblem and stuff. That's still the same. Pretty sure all of this is still the same. 392. This one looks like it's gonna crank up too, ladies and gents, so might as well crank it up. Ooh, brakes going straight to the floor. This one sound way better. Check engine light. Performance last 8 seconds. Reaction time. That's why they crashed this thing. Trying to record their reaction times and stuff. Man, it sounds like a monster, boy. This one sounds like a monster compared to the RT. Dang. I'm gonna see if I can rev it up for y'all. Hold on. Definitely sounds like a beast. Definitely sounds like a beast, man. Yeah, this one's nice. I like this color too. This color is killing them. They actually had you see that one over there? That other blue one? That's a wide body Charger. I actually recorded that one for y'all a while back. So y'all just messing up these whips, man. This is new. Catch can, oil catch can. I don't think they got this one on I don't think that's factory right there. Y'all let me know in the comments below, but I do not think it is. But other than that, man, y'all hear it, the motor runs. So, you know, I can see why you would definitely try to get one of these from a Copart and still try to, you know, rebuild it and fix it up, because, you know, you just got, you know, this damage here. You can have you a pretty newer or Scat for something like this. To what I've seen, you know, even like this, like 20, 25, 30 grand probably for one of these, you know. Could definitely get you one for 20, 30, because a lot of y'all be asking me in the comments, oh, what can this go for? What can this go for? About 20, 30. I don't know, some of y'all be crazy talking about 5 grand, 10 grand. Oh, buddy, I don't know. This is the real world here. Wouldn't it, shit, everybody would have, well, everybody A lot of people do got them, but shoot, man, they ain't going that cheap, y'all. But let's go ahead and keep it moving. So we got a 2002 F-150. They got like $275 on it right now, $275. That's the pre-bid. It has like 266,000 miles on it. About to see if it cranks up. Hopefully it does. Clear title. Looks all right. Okay. Looks like we might have some power. Let's see. Boom. Yeah, power's definitely. I've never had a Ford truck either before. This thing's making all kind of noise right now. Got the trailer brake on it. So you know they towing with this thing. Hopefully the transmission's still good. Just never know, man. Can't drive. I think I'm gonna pass on this, man. 4.6. I think I'm gonna pass on this one. But appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna go ahead and call it a wrap for today's video, man. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell, man. Make sure y'all go to WHD Academy if y'all want to learn how to make money. Appreciate y'all tuning in, but didn't find nothing too good today besides that Scat Pack. The Scat Pack is definitely nice. So I'll catch y'all on the next one. It's your boy Ray. I'm gone. Peace.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir.
We're getting it in the pandemic.
You already know, man.
We don't give a damn about no depression, recession. We gonna make it happen.
You already know, man.